Zoomed in. Okay. Where is she? Lola. This is my fish.
Lola Tambo.
Her name is Lola Tambo, named after Tambo, aka Tristan. And she's very nice, and I feed her too much, but that's okay.
Toby.
Not Tristan the fish. Anyways, I don't know if this is on us still.
Yeah, I think it's still on.
Okay,
So we'll check in out, but we have one more day left. Not even. And we're so excited. Tomorrow's gonna be like we can't even sit still. So yeah, I think are we done? I don't have anything else to say. So
right.
that was pretty lame. Peace out. All right. Goodbye.